The SMS Desktop software allows you to create charts from any data that has been read or imported into your management tree. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create, edit, and modify the various charts available to create, including all bar and line charts. To begin, go to the File menu and select New Chart, or click the New Chart icon from the main toolbar. This will open the chart creation wizard. Here, you will select one of the following chart types: the attribute comparison chart, which provides a chart comparing an attribute versus a property for a selected grower, farm, field, year, product, and operation. The generic chart provides a chart that can be set up from scratch as the user desires for a selected grower, farm, field, year, product, operation, and operational instance. The product comparison chart provides a chart comparing an attribute versus a property for a selected product and operation. In this example, we will create an attribute comparison chart that shows the average yield across multiple years for the same field. Select the type of chart that you want to create and click Next. The Select Data Filters window will now open, where you can select the data that you wish to include in your chart and click Next. After setting the filters, now the Edit Data Filter Results window will open. Use the Delete button to remove any unwanted datasets from the output of your report and click Next. The Chart Axis window will now open. This will allow you to select the type of chart to print, and it also allows you to set the options for the attribute or property assignments of the X and Y axes, along with the grouping property for the X axis. Click Next to continue. Use the Chart Options dialog to set various display formatting options for the chart. Some options you have include entering a custom title, adding a logo, and modifying other user-defined settings. You can also save the current chart settings as the default that will be used each time you create this type of chart. Use the Restore Original button if you ever wish to have the default chart settings again. After clicking Finish, your chart will be displayed in the main mapping window. You can modify your chart settings and filter using the Edit Chart Options tool that you will find by right-clicking over the chart. Now you will be able to create, edit, and print a chart. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.